Notice that the servings consumed are in the column labeled Ideal. The goal is 5 servings per day, so the remainder is listed in the next column called Gray. You'll also need to procure a fruit icon and a green and gray version saved somewhere on your computer. I have the icons ready for you if you check out the resource files or look in the icons menu in the newest version of PowerPoint to download them. Now grab the data in Excel and insert a stacked bar chart. Right-click on the bars that represent your ideal data and select Format Data Series. In the Fill section, this is inside the icon that looks like the paint bucket, select the radio button by Picture or Texture Fill. Then select the Insert button and go locate the green serving fruit icon you saved earlier. Then click the Stack and Scale With button. We want those gray fruit icons to look like the remainder, so follow the same procedure as above to fill the other bars with a picture of the gray fruit. Now, the graph is probably looking a bit distorted, with some seriously squished and unappetizing fruits. We will adjust a few things here to make this look right. First of all, Excel likes to give you more than you need, so the x-axis is currently running to 6, but it needs to stop at 5. To fix this, right-click on one of the numbers in your x-axis. Choose Format Axis. Change the maximum bound to 5 instead of 6. Well, this probably added to the distortion, but it'll be easier to deal with the overall chart area now. In fact, let's delete that axis. Just click on it and hit the delete key on your keyboard and delete any grid lines. If you click on one of the fruits, you'll see that it is sitting within your original stacked bar area, and that area is skinny, thin, stretching your fruits. Let's make it thicker. Right-click on any bar and select Format Data Series. You'll see a menu called Gap Width. This is referring to the width of the gap between your stacked bars/fruits. Set it to 0 and the fruits will become more proportionate. The fruits are still a bit stretched, so resize the overall chart area until the icons look proportionate. You could be done at this point, but you may want to reorder the categories on your axis so that the average is at the top and family 4 is at the bottom. Right-click on the y-axis and select Format Axis. Check the box that says Categories in reverse order. You'll notice that there is still one line left, even though we deleted the grid lines. That's actually the y-axis line. So while in that same menu messing with the order of the categories, go into the paint bucket icon and, in the line menu, select No Line. Now delete the legend and add a title. Click the chart and from Format Chart Area, from Fill Options, select No Border. Boom! Whether you call it a pictograph, pictogram, isotype chart, or icon array, it's an efficient way of communicating small data sets. It might take a few minutes of your time to construct something like this, but the investment is worth it. These graph types are easy to read.